Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's time for the nation's sharpest opinion. Karnataka is where the national focus should be. Two issues related to the safety of women have become the focus of the election campaign. H.D. Devegowda, former Prime Minister's grandson, has possibly fled the country. I can only say possibly because we are yet to get an on-record confirmation on why he is allegedly jetted off to Germany right on the heels of these allegations. The allegations, ladies and gentlemen, are gut-wrenching. Thousands of videos, allegations of sexual abuse and rightful anger that has ensured that the JDS has had a core committee meeting and has suspended Prajwal Revanna. We are hearing he may even be expelled. He should be. Ladies and gentlemen, on the other hand, the BJP is calling out the appeasement politics at play in the Neha murder case. Anger ripping and demanding the death penalty for Fayaz, the accused in custody. A family is still waiting for the family of the accused to be called in for questioning after detailing at length about the pre-planned nature of the murder live on my program last week. Is the Congress government in Karnataka going soft against Fayaz's family? And why is one section of the media not asking that question? In my view, both these cases, the sex tape horror that has hit the NDA and the casual approach of the Congress in ensuring absolute justice for Neha, are questions that both parties need to answer. Because crimes against women are not political tools, not some catalyst causes in an election. We want justice, absolute justice, without caveats as to who the accused are in which case. No balancing acts, no diversions. Hence, we are debating these two issues separately. Let's debate.
The anger continues to spill onto the streets. The protest by Congress Women's Cell entered day 2. The Congress upped the ante, calling out the BJP-JDS alliance.
ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕೀಗ. ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಲೀಡರು NDA ಲೀಡರು ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಹೊರತು ನಮಗೆ JDSಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ.
JDS patriarch H.D. Devegowda's son H.D. Revanna and grandson Prajwal Revanna are now facing the wrath for alleged sexual harassment. In fact, Republic confronted H.D. Revanna.
ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕೇಸ್ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕೇಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಸರ್?
ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು SIT ನೇಮಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿ, ಯಾರು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ 40 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ COD ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಡೆಸಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಎದುರಿಸೋಕೆ ರೆಡಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಸರ್? ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ಕೂಡ ದೂರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಹಿಳಾ
ಸರ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಸರ್. ನಾವು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೈತೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೇನು ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ಈ ಥರ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಯಾವುದೂ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ದಯಮಾಡಿ
ಉಚ್ಚಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಒತ್ತಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅದನ್ನು ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಏನು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬದ್ಧ.
ಈಗ ದೇವೇಗೌಡರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಅವರು ದೇವೇಗೌಡ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Distancing himself from the controversy, an embarrassed JDS plans to suspend the incumbent Hassan MP.
Before going for the poll, 3 days before, they decided to circulate some pen drives about Prajwal Revanna. They think that by circulating those, that is fake or genuine, I don't know. After this SIT formation from the government, they have the responsibility by the SIT to bring real facts.
Sources tell Republic Prajwal Revanna has left for Germany on April 27th. Will this impact the BJP-JDS alliance in Karnataka? Let's debate.